It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am here with a video on telling you how you can make some good holiday cash with Etsy and a print-on-demand site called Printful. I've talked about Printful numerous times here on my website. I've actually showed you guys how to set your Printful account up. I don't know if I've talked about Etsy a lot, but Etsy is like an Amazon. It is a great search engine, and people buy things, especially handmade things and personalized things from Etsy all of the time. I am an Etsy shopper and I am an Etsy seller. So I do know a few things. So I'm going to show you how you can get in on this print on demand holiday season, making some money for your family, for yourself, or just some extra income, right? So Etsy is kind of like Amazon. It's a tell-all website. It tells you what is trending most of the time, right? So right now it kind of tells you, hey, we have, people are still buying face masks. People want wall decor, gift ideas, outdoor and garden, self-care, and craft kits. So these are some of the things that people really want. And if you just type here, you see what's super popular right now. So I am going to type in holiday t-shirt. Let's do holiday shirt. Okay. So I have a long list of things that popped up. When things are completed for you, this right here tells you that these are the most searched things when someone types in holiday shirt. So holiday shirts for women, SVGs, family, pregnancy, funny, PNG, holiday shirt pack, kids for boys, nurses. So I love the pregnancy one and I love the funny one and the family. So let's go see what is going on with the holiday pregnancy shirts. Or can we make holiday shirts for women, holiday pregnancy shirts for women that are funny? Okay, so that's three birds in one stone, right? So we have Pregosaurus. We have, let's see, Merry Christmas. I'm also pregnant. Love that one. Bump's first Christmas with the little hat. Let's see what else we have. Trying to scroll down. Thankful. We'd like some pie, please. Super cute. One spooky Nana. Little family pack here. Bumping around the Christmas tree. That's cute. Baby loading. Please wait. Let me tell you, my family is awesome for like New Year's baby new surprises, right? So they always pop out and be like, "Oh, I'm pregnant on New Year's Eve." We have a family meeting every year, and someone's always pregnant. And it's like this little running joke when the family meeting comes up. We're all looking like, "Okay, who is it this time?" So here's one that says eating for two. Can't leave the aunties out on this. So the more the merrier. So I really love the Pregosaurus one. So let's type in, let's see, Pregosaurus. And let's see what comes up. So I might have to type it in a different way. Okay, so here's a Pregosaurus shirt. This is a simple one as well. Okay, this is from the same shop. So let's go check out this shop and let's go see how many people are actually buying this shirt. And I think that's a cute one too. All right. So let's see if there's any reviews on this shirt. So adorable and comfortable. So cute. Love it. We love it. Tons of compliments. So they do have a lot of people who like this shirt. Now let's check out their shop. And then we're gonna, did I click on another one? Pregnant, the extra thankful pregnant shirt. This shop has over 3,000 sales. A lot of people got some different shirts, different colors. So let's check out the store. Because you could open up a pregnancy shop, shirts. This is like dedicated, look like it's dedicated to moms, and then some other stuff in there. Let's see. Okay, so here's the section with the pregnancy announcements. All right, just kind of waiting for this to come up. I'm gonna close that one out too, since my computer wants to run slow. Okay, so looks like they have a lot of different designs, but maybe that one just happened to be, there's a different variation of this one as well. But it seems like that one seems to be the running theme here. But that's kind of how you can decide whether it's something good to go in on. And so far, it looks like pregnancy announcement shirts are really good. So if you were to create an entire shop that were full with pregnancy announcement, because I'm sure a lot of people are getting pregnant this year, and more. So these are really cute. And you can use apps like Canva, you can use Over, you can use any little digital apps on your phone or computer, PicMonkey to create t-shirts. I really love this style too. In the States with the plaid in it as well. That could be a whole store with, like, what is it they call, the farmhouse or the plaid or whatever. You can use that pattern and go crazy with design. So once you figure out your store, make sure I would start with less than 5 products. Again, Etsy does charge you 20 cents to list a product. But hey, you can start with 5 designs, and 5 designs at 20 cents is $1. So you can start this for $1. Your 5 designs. Canva is free. Some things you cannot use, but for the most part, it is free. I don't know. I think PicMonkey charged, but the Over app, I believe, is free as well. It's free to sign up on Printful. So grab your store, do your research, do a little bit of SEO, making sure you're searching for the right things. You can use some of these free Etsy apps out here. I don't know if Marmalade is free or not, but I know you can use it. I'm sure there's some Etsy extensions to help you figure out some things. But all of these things can help you just to go ahead and start a Etsy print-on-demand business for the holiday season, so you can make some extra money. And you never know, you might be a millionaire in the fourth quarter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, peace.